Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your Epic Games to your Ubisoft account. So, this is a article instructed or created by Ubisoft for us. So first, we just need to launch a Ubisoft game from our Epic Games launcher. So in order to do that, you just need to search for a Ubisoft product or Ubisoft game in the search bar of Epic Games. For example, you just need to type in Ubisoft, and then it will show all the games that is available or created by Ubisoft. Now, select a game and then purchase and install this game. After installing this game, it will show a pop-up window where you need to log in your Ubisoft account. And then after logging in, it will automatically link our Epic Games account. And it is indicated here that a pop-up window will show in our web browser. So that's it. That's how you can link your Epic Games account to your Ubisoft account, and thank you for listening.